So here's a video by Piers Morgan, of course. So here's some clips, of course, played by Piers Morgan related to Prince Harry and Meghan Markle, and of course, when she came into the family.
Most outrageously of all, Harry and Meghan allowed claims to swirl about racism in the royal family for almost 2 years. They made a 6-hour documentary about it. They accepted a Human Rights Award last month for fighting structural racism in the royal family, all based on what they told Oprah Winfrey. But now Harry's decided that apparently that's not what they meant at all.
In the Oprah interview, you accuse members of your family of racism. You don't even...
No, we didn't.
Well, of...
The British press said that.
Right.
Did Meghan ever mention that they're racist?
She said there were troubling comments about
There was concern
colour.
about his skin colour.
Right. Wouldn't you describe that as essentially racist?
I wouldn't, not having lived within that family. The way the British press reacted to that was fairly typical. Neither of us believe that that comment or that experience or that opinion was based in racism.
How was she dangerous?
Because of the need for her to rehabilitate her image.
That made her dangerous.
That made her dangerous because of the connections that she was forging within the British press. And there was open willingness on both sides to trade of information. And with a family built on hierarchy, and with her on the way to being Queen Consort, there was going to be people or bodies left in the street because of that.
Bodies left in the street, says the guy who boasted about killing 25 Taliban. Actual bodies that he left in the street, and then boasted about it, which has now enraged the entire Muslim world. But Camilla was apparently dangerous because she forged relationships with the media, says the man who's pocketed over $100 million by forging relationships with media entities like Netflix, Spotify, Oprah Winfrey, James Corden, CBS, ABC, and so it goes on. He says his brother, the Prince of Wales, attacked him because he was riled by reading stories in the tabloids, but also that his brother placed those stories in the tabloids himself. He slams a memoir by Diana's butler, Paul Burrell, as one man's self-justifying, self-centering version of events. My God, the irony of this! From a man who's literally just produced the single most self-justifying, self-centering version of events.
So, on the one hand, you have a man that was born into poverty, talking about Elon Musk, who had to literally walk his way to the top without much help, right? And on the other hand, you have a man who was born in privilege. Wealth was not really a problem for this particular man. He was born into privilege and, of course, into the royal family in person of Prince Harry. And somebody once said to me that life is not balanced. And if you look at it on the other hand, truthfully speaking, life is not balanced. And, well, let me know what you think in the comment section. I would really love to hear from you and know what you really think about these particular clips. And also, do subscribe to this channel. That's the way you help the ministry so that we can produce more videos, more fresh content. Also, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know whenever I upload. I see you in my next video. Stay blessed.